What's up, guys? Welcome to a beautiful channel. This is a 2007 Toyota Yaris basic. No ABS sensor, menu, window, no power steering. But today there is a big noise that's coming from under the car. It's like a humming noise. It's really rare, and but today I'm going to go deeper and find out see what's the problem. All right, stay tuned and let's find out. Okay, guys. Before everything, this car is a manual transmission. It's not automatic, so the noise is start doing it when it was going 50 miles per hour and above. It was doing it. It was noise. It doesn't do it when you go slow. So I mean, it didn't really bother my daughter. So but now it's doing it when it's going maybe 20 or 30 miles per hour and above. It's getting really weird, and it's that noise is like it's like a small airplane like really near you making that big noise. So today I'm going to raise up this car and then I'm going to go to third gear and then let this tire spin, and then I'm going to be out here and listening which side it's coming from. Is it coming from the wheel or from the gearbox or somewhere else? I got the car raised up right now, but before you raise it up, you may do this test or this check before you do anything. Make sure you wrap your hand like this. Be careful. It could be there is a wires hanging up. Maybe your tire wear out, something like that. But in this case, my tire is new, so wrap it around like this. If you feel any uneven or bump, any on outer side or the inside right here, do the same thing like this, or here, all the way around back and front tire. Which I did all this last 15 days ago. Nothing was wrong. I found the bearing was bad on this one, and then I changed it out and nothing. It didn't fix the problem. And then which that time I seen the rotor, it was really bad. It's like very thin in the inside, and the outside is like this thick. So I mean, I took it out again and changed the rotor. Nothing happened. So that's why I'm at this point right now. So now after you raising up the car, do this like this, not hard, like this. That's normal move. This, do it on this way, and this, or like this, not matter, like this. But most of you find the problem is on this side, the strut over there and right here. Most of the time, if you move this way, your bearing it's out, it's bad. And 50% of the time, if it moves this way, it be your sway bar or tire ride joint, or inner tire ride or outer tire ride, one of those things, or ball joint, one of those things like this. But if it does all like this and like this, it's 100% it's your wheel bearing. And but like I say, if it's like this and not like this, it's 50% is with your tire ride or your ball joint. Let's go on the other side. Now we are on the passenger side. Do the same thing, not too hard, like that. That's normal move. And do it this way. As you can see, I don't know if you can see it, but this found the problem here. No, I don't know if that's the problem or not. Okay, wheel bearing in this one is bad. You will hear or feel it on this way. I can see it a little bit, and then I can feel it. It's like comes and then stop. Hope you can see it right there. This way, it don't do it. But if it does it like this, and then Look in the bottom too. Now the camera is under the car, which I can see it right now, but let me move it again. As you can see, none of the sway bar or other thing will move. I'll do it right now. Nothing moves right now. But if I move it harder, it moves everything. So that's good because it doesn't move by itself. But I had to put a lot of force. But now I'm doing it on the other way. This over here should move inside in here somewhere. I'm going slow. Hope you can see it. See, it moves around, but nothing else moves around. So this is the wheel bearing problem. Now this is the reason I raised up both tires on the front of the car, because I want to do this test. I'm going to let my daughter run it to 5th gear or fast as she can, and let's see the wheel, how they act, and then the noise. Now she's on 5th gear and she's going 60 miles per hour. And you do this, put your glasses on because it will swing all everywhere. Okay, you can see the wheel right now. It's going slow and not making noise over here. And this is the right side or the passenger side. Right there. And it's making some noise. I will try to get you in the noise in a minute. Oh my gosh, see how fast that goes at some speed? See that? That's 60 miles per hour. And then on the other side, that's a big difference. See how slow it's going there? See that over there at the hole? That is fast. Okay, now here's another view on the lower speed. Now my daughter, she's going 50 miles per hour right now, but look at the wheel. Does it moving? This is the passenger wheel. I mean the driver's side, I'm sorry. See? It don't move at all, but she's going 50 miles per hour. And let's look on the other side. And this is the passenger side, the right side. See how fast it's going? Because she's going 50 miles per hour. Right there. And let's take another look over there. So here we are again at the the driver's side. It's not moving. So this is so confusing. Where is that noise coming from? Alright, now here's the noise that it made. So that's the noise I am hunting for and looking for. It is a lot louder when you're driving. Speaking of Toyota Yaris wheel bearing noise, 2 years ago or 3 years ago, it was making a different noise then. Same thing at the time, I didn't know what's going on. That noise it was like when you run out of power steering fluid, and when you tune your wheel, it makes that whining noise like this. Same noise last 2 years ago or 3 years ago. Every time my daughter goes to the curb, or when I go to the curb, or whatever, whoever is driving, it makes that noise. It's like like this. So it was confusing. So I thought I was out of power steering fluid. So I flushed it, bleed it, but ended up it was the wheel bearing bad. So it was noise like that. It confuses you and you don't know. You could change some other part and it's not what you're looking for. So that's the other noise. And this is the noise when I move the tire around. I'm gonna put my microphone on the ground and see, hope you can hear it. But let's go ahead and change that wheel bearing out. Hope it fixes it. Here's another noise that this guy has been making. This is for a future video, or you're looking for that noise too. So this is the noise. The only loudest spot or place is over here when I put my stethoscope right here, and it is louder. But other than that, so I'm thinking since the this bushing over here, or the mount thing over here, it's connected right here by the water pump. So I'm thinking it's the water pump. And so right now I can hear the noise on top of the engine, bottom of the engine, and everywhere. It is very confusing. So this noise, it does all the time, but you can hear it when you're driving. So this is not the noise we are looking for today. I am sorry if that's what you're looking for, but hopefully the next video. Alright guys, if you are working on the exact car, or you doing the wheel bearing, so I've been working on this car almost 5 days right now. I'm having so much trouble. First, I couldn't find no retainer ring or snap ring, this kind of ring over here, right here. I cannot find them. So after I got out of zone funding, they found one. They ordered this one, but it ended up it's the wrong size. This is the wrong part over here. It's that number right there. So don't order that one. But this is the original snap ring right here. As you can see, it is way too small. See, it almost fits inside this one. So this is how it looked like, the one I got today from Orally Auto Part, and it's perfect size right there. It's perfect size. So they both are from a Dorman. So the right one is this one right here. That's the right number you should be using. So this is the wheel bearing I used on this car today. Right there. It's through Amazon, but it is from right there, from Diagnostic. And the part number, it's that one over there. It's supposed to be 510094, but through Diagnostic, I think it is it's that one over there. I know you can see it right there. That's the number over there. So after I reading the description and the reference number, like international, it's that one over there. So if you can't find it under this number, you should be able to find it under this number right here. So it is on there. It was easy to install. It was perfect. Alright guys, 2 months later, this noise, that noise, it is totally gone. It's not here anymore. So this is fixed. That noise, it was the wheel bearing. So that's being said, guys, thank you very much for watching this video, and thank you for subscribing, sharing, liking my video, all that good stuff. I appreciate all that. Until next video, bye for now. Ciao ciao.